Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off or disable mention notifications on the YouTube app. So if you do not want to receive notifications when your mentions or your handle is mentioned in comments or in video descriptions, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the U icon in the bottom corner of the YouTube app, and then select the setting gear icon at the top right, left click on it, and select notifications on the left panel. On the right side, you want to scroll down underneath mentions, notify me when others mention my channel. If you want to turn that off, just toggle it to the off position by clicking inside the oval one time. It should confirm that your changes were saved, and that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.